Let's select an actual address in Parktown. Right. Then it brings you up to this icon. Now, this is what we want to see. If you see anything other than this, there is no coverage at the address and you cannot proceed with the order. All right, the customer will have to download the app and show interest. When you see this icon, Connect My Home, that is what we want to see. Then you can carry on with the journey. So you go Connect My Home, you click on it. Now, it'll bring up this page where it tells you everything. To place your order, proceed and fill out the installation form. It also tells you the OpenServe installation is free. It also says you'll be connected for a free trial period of 30 days. To stay connected afterwards, you'll need to sign up with an ISP of your choosing. So it gives you all the information that you're already going to tell the customer before you sign them up, and this reiterates it to them for you. Then you'll go proceed with order. Once you are there, if it's a house, it'll automatically put you up under house. If it's a complex that you've selected on the previous menu under the address, it'll show you complex. But for now, it's a house. It goes on to house. So you'll put the customer's name. You'll put the customer's surname. You'll put the customer's email address. It'll default. Please make sure that you change this. It'll default to your email address that you have registered with. So you need to change it to the customer's address that is actually placing the order. So you'll type in the customer's address. Then, this is very important. The phone number that you type in here has to be a working cell phone number that the customer has with them at that point, because it will receive an OTP. Without the OTP, you will not be able to continue. So you need to make sure, confirm that number once or twice with the customer that this is the correct number that's going to receive the OTP. We need the OTP now to confirm to continue with the order. So you enter the customer cell phone number, then reference number. I was assisted by an OpenServe ambassador. That is you. So you need to select that yes. Then reference number, you will put in PUB, the province code where you are. For instance, if you're in the Northwest, you will put NW. If you're in Gauteng, you'll put GC. If you're in Limpopo, you'll put LP. If you're in Mpumalanga, you'll put MP. So for instance, Northwest, NW, and then your initials. For instance, my name is Sandeep Subajan, I will put SS. If your name is Bella Chirwa, you'll put BC. If your name is Abongile Njabo, you put AN. If they have an existing copper service, they will select this, and then it will ask for a copper service number. Please find out from the SPOC if the area that you are in is an existing copper area, and you will need this information from the customer. If it's not an existing copper area, you don't have to select that. You have to select, however, the terms and conditions. The customers can click on the banner terms and conditions and read it at their own free time. If they want, they can also download the app while you are doing this process, and then they can go on and read the terms and conditions. It's available on the app as well. You will then select, once you confirmed all the details, you make sure that everything is correct, especially the cell phone number for the OTP. Click on accept the terms and conditions. You'll click on next. When you click on next, it'll ask you for the OTP. Now the OTP will take a matter of seconds to come to the customer's cell phone number. That is why it's important that the customer has the cell phone with them. It cannot be someone's cell phone that is not there or so on. See, I got the OTP. It just came up there now. So I'm not going to enter the OTP because then it'll create an order for this. But I can enter it for you to show you what it looks like. 580886. Oops. So as soon as you enter the OTP, it starts processing the order, which I've just done now, and I need to cancel it in the back end with OpenServe team. But this is the process. There you go. Order number. This number here will be sent through to the customer in a matter of seconds. See, it just came up now. There's my order number there. Sorry, that's the OTP. Order number should come through in a matter of seconds. However, please screenshot this for you so you can fill in the door-to-door feedback with this order number for that particular address. So we know that address accepted the promotion and this is their order number. And that is the process, guys. Once you click on continue, It'll ask you to already to browse ISP deals, or let me browse deals from all ISPs. You can simply say, I'll contact an ISP directly. And that is it. Order is done. Right? You will see under here, there is an order, right? If you click on it, you have to come back to have a look at the actual order progress because it's just been sent. But that's where you can see your orders that you've done for the day. Remember, there will not be your orders. Each order will be for a particular customer at a particular address. All right, and that is it, guys. Very simple process. Remember, this is only for people that want to order. Everyone else, including these people, you also do a door-to-door feedback link where you input exactly what happened at that door. If they accepted the promo, great. You'll input it, and you will put through their order number and everything. If they didn't, if they already have an ISP and so on, you'll input that on the door-to-door. This video is just to show you how to do an order on the app.